Again, thank you. And as I promised, I got you something.
Thank you.
And Courtney had a situation where some medical issues and some other things, and we had to do a short sale on your house. And we got it after a realtor tried to sell it and couldn't do it after 9 months. And Jessica and myself took over, and we battled the mortgage company for you.
Yes,
And then we were able to get back with you, and maybe I was able to work it out for you to get something back. And how did I do?
you did amazing. Thank you. I appreciate you all's dedication and diligence. And again, I'm just glad it's over.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. You know, working with special people like you, and as nice as you've been, and the challenges that you have. For me, it's rewarding to be able to help you back and give back. So just thank you for your patience and trusting us. And you know,
Yes, sir. Thank you
if
all.
you know anybody else that needs our help, just let us know.
Yes, sir. I will.
Thank you.
You're